How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your online status on your WhatsApp or appear offline even when you are online. So WhatsApp just released a new feature in which you can completely hide your activity status and not just your last seen. So in order to do that, you'll have to go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for WhatsApp. Now, if your app says update, it means that there is an update on the app. So simply update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And remember, this feature is only for the WhatsApp's latest version. So make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And now once you've updated your app, simply open WhatsApp. Now once you've opened WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings. Now go to privacy. And there on the top side of the screen you can see the first option, namely last seen and online. So in order to hide your online status, first of all you'll have to hide your last seen from everyone. So in order to do that, tap on who can see my last seen, and if there is an option named nobody, simply tap on nobody. But if there is no option named nobody, what you can do is simply tap on my contacts except and then select everyone. And now your last seen will be hidden from everyone. And now if you want to hide your online status, there is only two options. The first one is everyone and the second one is same as last seen. So if you tap on same as last seen, if your last seen is hidden from everyone, your activity status will also be hidden from everyone. So first of all, you'll have to select your last seen to nobody or equivalent to that, and then simply under who can see when I'm online, tap on same as last seen. That way you can completely hide your online status or activity status on WhatsApp and appear offline even when you are online. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.